Liz Weston. Should I remember longtime domestic employee in my will? Business. https://business. Updated August 24, 2025. 7:11 a.m. Published August 24, 2025. 7 a.m. Dear Liz, consider including employers who still value longtime employees in your estate plan. Caregivers and domestic workers often serve families, the elderly or seriously ill patients for decades. When someone passes away, the estate or family members rarely recall these workers who felt their efforts were insignificant, even if acknowledged in a small way. I once heard about an employer who deposited $10,000 annually into a savings account for an hourly worker who retired after 30 years of service. The employee never asked for anything, just grateful to have been of help for so many years. Answer: You're right that a bequest could honor a longtime domestic employee's dedication. Such gifts can spark intense family disputes, accusations of undue influence, and legal battles that stretch for years. Factors like the size of the bequest, the estate's value, and the family's dynamics must all be weighed. Keep in mind that while most bequests aren't taxable, employer contributions often are because the IRS treats them as compensation. Anyone considering adding an employee to their will should consult a financial planner and tax expert. Dear Annie, why doesn't picky grad realize some kind of work, any work, is better than no work at all? https://www.oregonlive.com/entertainment. Dear Annie, why doesn't picky grad realize some kind of work, any work, is better than no work at all? .html. Asking Eric, is it a red flag that my friend's new husband gets upset when she wants girl time? https://www.oregonlive.com/entertainment2508. Asking Eric, is it a red flag that my friend's new husband gets upset when she wants girl time? Dear Abby, my mother passed away 2 years ago. She left a mountain of paperwork we finally started sorting. Among the surprises was a bank receipt for $4,500 in U.S. government savings bonds, bought just 1 month before her grandson's birth in 1992. We suspect the bond was meant for him. Is there a way to track these bonds? A bank receipt might suffice to prove validity, but savings bonds from 1992 would already have matured and stopped paying interest. If your mom didn't cash them in, you could use the U.S. Treasury's Treasury Hunt tool at treasurydirect.gov/savingsbond/treasury hunt. Liz Weston, certified financial planner, is a personal finance columnist for NerdWallet. Questions may be sent to her at 3940 Laurel Canyon, number 238, Studio City, California 91604, or via AskLizWeston.com. If you purchase a product or register for an account through a link on our site, we may receive compensation. By using this site, you consent to our user agreement and agree your data may be collected, recorded, and stored by us and third-party partners in accordance with our privacy policy.